Ready? Start. By this writ petition filed under Article 32 of the Constitution, the petitioner has prayed for directions declaring the notification dated 27/3/2020 issued by Reserve Bank of India as ultra-virus to the extent it charges interest on the loan amount during the moratorium period. The petitioner's case and the pleadings in the writ petition briefly noted are: the petitioner has availed a home loan of amount of rupees 37,48,000 from the ICICI Bank after declaration of coronavirus COVID-19 as a pandemic by World Health Organization. The National Disaster Management Authority, exercising the jurisdiction under Section 6 of the Disaster Management Act 2005 to take effective measures to prevent the spread of COVID-19 across the country and for mitigation of the threatening disastrous situation, has issued notification dated 27/3/2020 directing the Ministry, Departments of Government of India, state governments and the state authorities to take measures for ensuring social distancing so as to prevent the spread of COVID-19 in the country. Necessary guidelines were also issued under Section 10, Subsection 2, Subsection 1 by the National Executive Committee. The Reserve Bank of India on 27/3/2020 issued a Statement of Development and Regulatory Policies, where inter alia certain regulatory measures were announced to mitigate the burden of debt servicing brought about by disruptions on account of COVID-19 pandemic and to ensure the continuity of viable business. The notification dated 27/3/2020 was issued by the Reserve Bank of India for rescheduling of payments, terms loans and working capital facilities. Relevant part of the notification relevant for the present case is as follows. In respect of all term loans, including agricultural term loans, retail and crop loans, all commercial banks, including regional rural banks, small finance banks and local areas banks, cooperative banks, all India Financial are permitted to grant a moratorium of 3 months on payment of all installments falling due between March 1, 2020 and May 31, 2020. The repayment schedule for such loans as also the residual tenor will be shifted across the board by 3 months after the moratorium period. Interest shall continue to accrue on the outstanding portion of the term loans during the moratorium period. The petitioner's case in the writ petition is that when all the means of livelihood have been curtailed by the Government of India by imposition of complete lockdown pan-India due to worldwide spread of COVID-19 pandemic, the petitioner has no way to continue to his work and earn livelihood. The petitioner's case is that imposition of interest during the moratorium period is ultra-virus and shall defeat the purpose of permitting the moratorium of loans. Referring to notification dated 27/3/2020, petitioner pleads that Reserve Bank of India has by the notification made it clear that interest shall continue to accrue on the outstanding portion of the term loans during the moratorium period. Petitioner's case is that the above action of imposition of interest during the moratorium period is completely devastating and causes hindrance and obstructions in right to life guaranteed by Article 21 of the Constitution.